My name is Bhargav Manek.
My name is Jaideep Manek.
My name is Rudra Vacha.
My name is Kanani Viren. My name is Ronak Nadiapara.
And we are going to demonstrate a project using Arduino. So for this project, these are all the components that we are going to need. An Arduino Uno R3 kit, a DC motor, a H-bridge motor driver, a PIR sensor, a 9-volt battery and some jumper cables. This is how our circuit will look. Now I am going to explain the connections in this circuit. This is our signal wire that is connected to the pin number 4 of Arduino, which will give input. This is PRI sensor. As this sensor will detect any input, it will go into the Arduino circuit, and then on based of what code we write in this Arduino circuit, it will give output to this H-bridge motor driver that we have connected. Here this is the power supply, this is the input 1 and this is output 1. This is the ground connection, this is also a ground connection, and this is input 2, this is power 2 and this is also power 2. Here we have also given an external power to L293D motor driver. We are giving 5 volt power. Now we will start the simulation so you can see how this circuit will exactly work. Here our sensor will detect an input. So here you can see that our motor is first rotating.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
now I will show you coding. So this is how we have coded our Arduino to operate this motor. Here first we write void setup to set up pin mode if it is output or input. Here pin number 13 of Arduino gives output. Pin number 12 of Arduino also gives output and 9 also gives output. But here pin number 4, this pin gives input to Arduino, and all these pins that we have connected give output. This digital write 13 high enables the motor driver. This. And now we will write the program in void loop so that it works continuous. Here if digital read 4 high, that is if this sensor detects any input, then only this coding will work. First we will rotate clockwise motor. The digital write 12 pin that is on low and digital write 9 pin that is on high. This will rotate motor to clockwise. Then we will wait for 1000 millisecond, that is 1 second, and stop motor. Then again after 1 second we will rotate motor anti-clockwise the same way. But here we will give high to 12 number pin and low to 9 number pin. This IC gives reverse connection to DC motor and it can rotate anti-clockwise and clockwise, both directions. This is how our circuit will look after we have implemented all the components and the connection that I showed you. This is our motor. This is PIR sensor that will detect the input. Here we have connected all the connection required to the breadboard, and this is our main Arduino Uno R3. Now I am going to connect this pin. This is HDMI cable that is used to give power to this kit. I will connect this pin to laptop. So as you can see, there is a green light turning on. This means that our Arduino kit is receiving proper power supply. This LED will turn on once you upload the code to Arduino kit. Now I am going to demonstrate full working model. As you can see, these are the output cables coming from our H-bridge motor driver.
soul.